Hi everyone, and welcome to 907 South Creekview Lane in Anaheim Hills, California. I'm very excited to show you this property. Come with me. So one of the wonderful things about this home, as you'll notice when you come in through the front door, is the airiness about this home. The 2-story vaulted ceilings at the entry, the formal living room. It really gives you a sense of volume, air and space, and the loads of windows just make this home super light and bright all day long. If you notice the hardwood floors throughout living room, dining room, entryway area, the lower area, and as we go into the main heart of the home. Really great feature about this home, you do have a main floor bedroom. Now they currently have this set up right now as a playroom. It could be used as an office space. It's really a versatile space. They do have it open to the family room right now, but this whole area right here that's open could be drywalled to make this completely a separated space. You could put a really neat piece of leaded glass in there, which would still give you the privacy, but it would also still let some sunlight and everything into the room as well. So really versatile space down here on the main floor for use. And as we come into this area, you'll notice they have completely customized the entire kitchen area. And this is really where you're gonna live most of your days. So really good size family room, fireplace, niche area for electronics. You know, you could put the TV up on that wall above the fireplace if you so chose. They wanted it here on this wall just because when you're in the kitchen looking into the family room, you really have the functionality of being able to see the television as well. And then of course, they went all out on the kitchen. Fully customized, top of the line cabinetry, Taj Majal quartzite countertops, wolf range. A couple of things I want to point out, especially with regards to this cabinetry. So if you open the cabinets here, look at all the storage. There was so much thought that went into this kitchen and customization. You've got all of your storage for your racks. You've got pull-out shelves here. Over here next to the range, you've got this drawer here that instead of just being a double deep drawer, you've got storage for your utensils, and then you also have an upper level as well. So you get that much more storage capability out of these drawer systems. Similarly to if you come over here, you can see everything that was done from the silverware and serving, and additionally here for all your spices. So really everything was so thought out in this kitchen to make this so user-friendly and a chef's dream. Let me take you back over this direction before we go outside, because the outside is just a paradise I love, so we're gonna save that for last. So as we come back through this way, kind of back to the entryway, we're gonna take a little step up right here. Over here's where we have the laundry room and access to the 3-car attached garage. And then we have your 3/4 bath down here. Now, one of the great things to note about this 3/4 bath is with the pedestal sink and the shower, there's also an external door that goes to the side yard, which makes it really nice, especially for the pool in the rear yard, because anybody wet that's with swimsuits wants to just come in, rinse off, has to use the restroom. They have the capability of going down the side, opening up that door, coming in, using the restroom, going back out to the pool, and you don't have to come through the rest of the home to do that. Here we just have a very gracious sized coat closet, and you can actually goes all the way underneath there. So we get a lot of extra hidden storage here. And then we go up. So as we get to the top of the landing, if we go to our right, we have the master. And it's a very good sized master. You can see we've got a king bed here. Again, a lot of windows throughout this home. You've got a separate retreat area. This could be used for a sitting area, a desk office space, however you would personally use it. And hidden behind these little shutters right here is a really nice little deck area. It is really important to note just the lovely outdoor setting that this home is backed against. So then you have this really nice master bathroom. You've got the 2-way fireplace that opens into the retreat and into the tub area. Good size standing shower, and then you also have the separate dual vanities and the water closet, all very neutrally detailed in beige and white. And you know, one thing to really take note of too is just the privacy off this master. You are just open to a canyon here and trees. So you really do have just a truly open rainforest concept behind you. And no master suite is complete without a walk-in closet. And this one is fully ready to go and highly organized. And as we exit out the master, you know, we're at the landing. I think this is just such a pretty view, so I want you to take it in so you really kind of get an idea of how this home flows and what you would be looking at if you were standing up here on the threshold. So we have one secondary bedroom that is adjacent to the master. Very good size, as you can see, as that is a queen bed. And then we have another bedroom further down the hall. Again, very spacious room. Linen storage here that we have across the hallway. And then the full bath that we go into that shares for the upstairs bedrooms. And finally, our last bedroom has had a little conversion to it, but can absolutely still function as a bedroom. But you know, in days like this, what better way to enjoy yourself at home than watching a home movie? So we've got some theater seating here. We've got a projection system, projection screen. You can plug in, watch whatever movie that you would like to. Now, hidden behind that screen is actually a built-in Murphy bed. So if you need a place for someone to sleep and you're not going to be watching movies, no problem. Pull up the screen, pull down the Murphy bed, and voila, you have another bedroom. Now, to really one of my favorite parts of this home is the amazing rear yard. You really feel like you were in a tropical setting here. Again, you'll notice you're completely back to a canyon and tree-lined area. So you really have such a serene setting back here. You've got the birds of paradise behind the pool. You have the rock formation, the trickling waterfall. And you know, just think about this. Imagine yourself coming over here, getting on the lounge chair, laying down, pretend you've got a great book. And I just want you to look out at what you would be looking at in that environment. It really, really doesn't get much better than that. I don't know about you guys, but one of the favorite things that I love to do, especially as we get into warmer weather, is to eat outdoors. And this really has such a perfect setup for that. You've got a nearly brand new built-in Lynx BBQ here. You've got a covered patio area that's a perfect dining setup for family parties. You've got a bar area here over by the barbecue. You've got a television to watch the game that's going on. And again, you can sit out here, hang out, talk to people. Someone could be grilling at the barbecue. We could be sitting here with a glass of wine having a conversation, watching people jump in and out of the pool. And you really get all of that sense of space here. And again, with just an amazing privacy with all of it. And then one of the things that I really want to make sure to point out that's not missed is for all you pet lovers out there that just need a little bit of grass, this yard also has it available for your pet as well. And the one direction we have not walked through yet. So obviously versatility if you're serving from the kitchen into the dining room. And you also have the versatility as well to open the dining room sliding doors and get right outside to your barbecue and patio as well. I want to thank you so much for joining me on this walkthrough at 907 South Creekview Lane. If you have any questions whatsoever specific to this property, more than happy to answer them. Please have your agent contact us or feel free to contact us yourselves. Thanks again and stay healthy and safe.